Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to introduce you to an incredible new AI technology that understands human language and emotion like never before. It's called Claude AI. Many are calling it the ChatGPT killer. But what makes it so special, and how can it make your life easier? Stay with me until the end to find out. What is Claude? Claude AI was developed by a company called Anthropic, founded by former members of OpenAI, the team behind ChatGPT. The biggest difference with Claude is its constitutional AI approach. This means it is designed to be ethical, polite, and very careful with its responses, making it one of the safest AIs to use. Standout features. First, artifacts. This is Claude's superpower. For example, if you ask it to build a website design, it doesn't just give you the code, it opens a separate window on the side and shows you the live result instantly. Second, handling long documents. You can upload a 200-page book or a thick PDF, and Claude will read and summarize the key points for you in just seconds. Third, human-like conversation. The writing style is incredibly natural. It doesn't sound like a robot. It writes just like a talented friend or colleague would. Overall, whether you are a student, a writer, or a tech professional, Claude is a top-tier assistant. Best of all, you can start using it for free. The key differences between Claude AI and other AI models. While ChatGPT can sometimes sound robotic or overly structured, Claude is designed to be more natural, humble, and empathetic. It excels at creative writing and nuanced communication, making its responses feel like they were written by a thoughtful human rather than a machine. The unique artifacts feature. This is Claude's standout feature. For example, if you ask it to build a simple calculator app, it doesn't just provide the code. It opens a dedicated window on the side to show you a live preview of the app in action. This interactive experience is currently unique to Claude. Massive context window, long memory. Claude can process up to 200,000 tokens at once. This means you can upload an entire book or a massive 100-page financial report and ask it to summarize or find specific details. Its ability to maintain accuracy over very long documents is often superior to its competitors. High safety and ethics. Constitutional AI. Claude is built using a principle called constitutional AI. It has an internal set of rules or a constitution that guides it to be helpful, honest, and harmless. This makes it less likely to generate biased, toxic, or dangerous content compared to other models. So what do you think? ChatGPT or Claude? Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.